Honorable dignitaries and dear friends, it is a great pleasure and pride for me for welcoming all of you in CRRI conference in Delhi. Because of my health, I am unable to present in the conference, and that's the reason that I am giving my message through video. Dear friends, we are the largest economy in the world, and our Prime Minister has decided to giving highest priority for development of infrastructure in the country. We are making lot of roads using cement concrete pavements, and using the best technology and best successful practices in the world. Our mission is how we can reduce the cost without compromising with the quality. We want to reduce the cost and improve the quality. And that is the most important reason that in this field particularly, lot of engineers have worked and they have a lot of their experiences and research which are very useful for the future development in this field. Today, this gathering where a lot of experts, professionals, the person who have make research in this field, they are all present. My suggestion is we have to make good experiments. In some experiments, we may succeed, we may not succeed. But to making experiments is very important. The second thing is we should not be conservative. We should be progressive, quality conscious, time bound, and at the same time we have to reduce the cost. I feel that we are using lot of materials, aggregates which are already available in the country. In the particular area, what are the material which are available, if we can use, that can save the cost. At the same time, now we are already using steel slags in the road construction. I feel that this is a waste material which is available in the country. We have to transfer our all technologies to our precast. We are trying our level best that whether it is possible for us to make our concrete pavement slabs in the precast manufacturing units, and by which using the best technology we can make the road by using the mechanized process. Today it is really a great opportunity for this field. Lot of new contractors or new engineers, particularly who are experienced in the world, they are already having lot of new innovative approach. Presently, we are trying for the technology that in place of steel, if we can use the steel fiber, by which we can reduce the cost and increase the strength of the concrete. Now we have different type of cements, quality cements are available. I feel that it is the time for the country to have a innovative research, international successful practices, and our research and our experience from our engineers. On the basis of that, we have to change our code. We have to make more experiments, and I am confident this is going to change a qualitative reform in this sector. I really appreciate the approach of our CRI and our authorities. They are constantly thinking on the line that how we can develop concrete pavements by using the new innovative approach, new research and successful practices in the world. It is really a great pleasure and pride for me as a country. If we succeed in this mission, we are going to save crores of rupees on road construction. As far as the concrete pavement roads are concerned, the maintenance cost is very negligible. So this is the time for all of you to accept this challenge. And I am giving my all best wishes and support to you. As a minister, I always support new innovation, new research and new experiments. And I feel that as in this conference, you are going to discuss on the different issues, different successful practices, research and your experience. I am giving my all blessings to the conference. and with your thinking, I am confident there will be a new innovative policy we can formulate that policy for the country for the construction of concrete pavements in the country. Once again, I am welcoming you. I am giving you all of you for best wishes for this conference, and at the same time I am expecting good results from this conference. I will request the authorities that after this conference, with your findings, research and research papers, innovative approaches of the different people, different technologies, successful practices, on the basis of that, if you can submit your report to the ministry, it will be really a great contribution from all of you for the construction of road pavements in the country. I really very much thankful for all of you. Once again, I am giving my best wishes to all of you. Thank you very much. Namaskar.